Fam, this is Trader Z on the markets again. I woke up late today. I'm on a really crappy part of the market. It looks very dead. Although you're having the pretty good movements, we can trade on this movement today with the strategy. But what I wanted to show you today, it's really bothering me, and I wanted all the trading fam to understand this thing that's bothering me. It's this thing on the left side of your screen. This bar on your left side of the screen. I can't show you it right now. Okay, it's like here. You see like this over here. Yeah, it's on the left side of your screen. Right now it's saying 92% put, 8% call. Right? Look on the look on the graph. Look on the strategy that we've been using. What is this? What is the strategy telling you? The strategy is telling you to go up. The strategy is telling you to call, but that over there is telling you that you should be putting, right? That's what's bothering me. But what I didn't understand is this is the investors segment. This is the investors segment. This is what the whole market is doing. So this is telling you that there are a lot of idiots on the market right now. They've put all their trades into the put trade, and all the indicators that we use on our solid strategy is saying up, is saying call. Look at that. 94% of the people that put in a trade in this minute, or put in a trade in general, is saying 94% are saying put trade. Look look at my trade. Does that look like a put trade to you? Trading firm? Does that look like a put trade? Hmm? It doesn't look like one to me. It looks like I'm way above way above what I called it at. I didn't put, I called. Hmm? So that's what something that's bothering me. That's called the investors segment. I look at it all the time to see how many idiots are in the market. I won that trade. I didn't even have to sweat. The bands bent. The stochastic indicator was wide. The RSI was well above 50 with strength, and the other RSI was about to touch 80. So I knew the strength was there to hold that candle. I'm not gonna trade now, but it's still saying 92% are saying a call and 8% are saying a put. So if I'm a big bank, sorry, if I'm a big bank, the big banks, if you've done the courses on YouTube, if you've watched the courses on YouTube, not my courses, but any other courses on YouTube, they tell you about the big banks. They flood the market, right? They flood the market. All right. So that investor segment, they flood the market, they control the market. They can increase the market any way they want, they can decrease any way they want. So they look on this investor segment and say, hey, 80%, 86% are idiots. They're going on the put trade. So what we're going to do is flood the market with an uptrend, and everybody loses their money. So trading farm, do not ever follow the investor segment on that side. It's actually better to go against it, because how many green candles have formed since I started talking? I've been talking 4 minutes, four green candles. The whole time that has been at incredibly high numbers on the put. So that's not there are a lot of idiots in the market, and that's what the big banks love. They've just made four green candles and taken all of these people's money. So the investor segment is useful, but it was something that I didn't understand, and I just wanted to make it easy for the trading fam to understand, because I was just on the market trading. I did a couple of trades. I did a lot of trades on the OTC on the weekend off camera, because the market was very, low volatility most of the time, so I didn't want to record. But I came out with a big profit. As you can see, my practice account is really, it's from the last time you saw it. It was at what? It was, I think, 5,000 something, and now it's 10,000, 11,000. So yeah, I did a lot of trading on OTC, And that's when I realized about this thing on the side here, this investor segment. It was bothering me. So I did some research and I understood that that's how you measure how many people are on the market. There's always 100%, but you can measure how many are going green and how many are going red. So the big banks now will align themselves to take the most profit. That's what they did a little while ago. 92% said put because they understand that the market was going on an uptrend and it couldn't hold for long because look at the market for the last hour, for the last 3 hours. It wasn't going to hold. That uptrend was not going to hold. So everybody on the market said downtrend, downtrend. Everybody on the market said put. But the big banks held it long enough for to take all of those people's money and then give them the downtrend which is starting right now. Give them the little red candles that are gonna start right now. This is some information that people are not telling you. Trader Z here to crack all the secrets like eggs and make you get some fried eggs or scrambled eggs, or you have to get something good out of it. We're not gonna crack your eggs and give you raw eggs. We're gonna crack the secret and give you some knowledge out of it. So pay attention to that investor segment. There are a lot of idiots on the market, and whenever you see that put reach 90s or high 80s, go against it because the big banks are gonna take all of those people's money, and you don't want to be one of them. There's a video on YouTube that says you don't want to be Justin Bieber in trading, and that's what we're focusing on. Low risk, low rewards, under the radar trading. Nobody's not gonna see you. That's the percentage you need to go into. The lower percent. The lower percent is what you need to put your traders because the big banks aren't looking for small money. Actually, everybody in general that's trading is not looking for small money. So they're looking for big money. They're looking for the big profit. That's why we are gonna overtake them in profits because they're not looking at us. We're under the radar. We want to win. We want to win 70 cents, 75 cents, 80 cents, 89 cents. That's our target of winnings per trade. We don't want to win $10 a trade, $20 a trade, $100 a trade. We don't want to win those things until our accounts are big. You know, right now we're starting with small accounts, so we're trying to do under the radar trading, and this is a good way to see how the big banks are going to take your money. Don't go with a don't go with the investor segment. Do not go with it, especially when it's 88, 89, 90s, 90s. Do not go with the investor state segment at all. Just go against it because the big banks are looking at that and they're saying, oh, right now I want to take 75% people money because the little 25% is a little bit of money. So you need to put your trade right there on green. You're going to see that candle form on green. And the banks take the bigger percentage, and all of those people lose their money. Look at that. From I've started to talk to you, I've been talking to you 8 minutes, 8.5 minutes. Look at that. All greens. It doesn't matter the size because everybody's putting a sorry, everybody's putting a put trade. So they're losing their money. And right now, if you see a downtrend form, you're gonna see the segment change. See it there, 45, 55, and then you're gonna see it go up more. The calls are gonna go up more, and the bank is gonna take more people's money. See it there, man. This is the information we're telling you about. This is the secrets we're trying to crack, hack, and make it get very easy. So this is Trader Z. I'm still gonna trade, but off camera. I don't want to keep the videos long. I want to give you the real information straight up, quickly, and able to upload it as fast as possible. So I'm kind of trying to keep the videos smaller nowadays. So this is Trader Z. You know what to do. Like, subscribe, share. This is the reality trading series, and I'm out.